BHSSC. Its services are as wide and diverse as the South Dakota landscape. Its monetary savings to member school districts are as tangible as Black Hills granite. But tonight, let's skip the sweeping analogies and pretty pictures and instead focus on BHSSC by the numbers. We'll start with a big number, 116 million. BHSSC believes in providing leadership that builds the local business economy. Our West River Business Service Center currently has active grants and business loans at a working total, again, $116 million. Counting down, TIE staff drove 239,737 miles the past year. On average, the moon is 238,855 miles from the Earth. That means TIE staff drove the equivalent of one trip to the moon, plus a quick sprint to Sioux Falls and back. 176,300 hours were logged by direct support professionals in our DD division, while 13,265 pounds of food went to children, adults, and the elderly in Rapid City through the mobile food pantry. 2,883 South Dakota fifth graders experienced hands-on science and technology learning through Starbase in Rapid City, Sioux Falls, and in a mobile lab driven to other towns. Those 2,883 are 26% of all fifth graders in the state. There were 2,127 sets of Dove Creek pottery produced in 2017. 1,875 children from 5 Rapid City schools received free dental screenings. And 1,424 adults were enrolled in community education classes in 11 Black Hills towns. 1,300 educators attended the TIE conference last April. More than 1,000 eighth graders participated in the 2017 College and Career Fair. Through October, 927 K-8 teachers had participated in Code.org computer science fundamentals coursework offered through TIE. That figure will jump significantly in 2018, thanks to an agreement just reached between TIE and Code.org, both committed to helping young people learn computer coding. 806. That's the number of Social Security beneficiaries statewide who received assistance from our benefits specialists. During the first 9 months of 2017, 543 children were screened in our Birth to 3 program. That brings the count down to 500, a milestone number whether you're talking Waveland Avenue in Chicago or Dixon Drive in Sturgis.
That's it! Hey! He did it! Ernie Banks got number 500! A line drive.
In 2017, there were 500 BHSSC personnel on payroll. And in 2017, BHSSC put 500 driver's education students, ages 14 to 16, onto South Dakota highways. 400 North Middle School students and family members participated in STEAM Night: science, technology, engineering, art, and math. 249 Rapid City High School students used the Learning Zone after-school program, most of them many times. In October, 240 educators attended the Systems Change Conference. The Family Support Program supported 204 people with intellectual disabilities, and 161 people with disabilities were supported by our DD division. 157 is the number of school districts in 2017 that are TIE members. 93 high school students were part of Project Skills, led by 3 much-traveled employment specialists. And the pass rate was 93% for people preparing for GED tests through the Career Learning Center, well above the national average of 79%. Here are some student counts. 68 received services at the Black Hills Academy at Canyon Hills. And throughout the state, there were 62 Aspire students striving for greater self-sufficiency for themselves and their families, and 42 young people with disabilities learning self-advocacy and more at the Youth Leadership Forum in Aberdeen. 33. That's the number of years Georgia Sandgren, the master of all BHSSC numbers, has served as our business manager. Thank you, Georgia, for 33 years of thorough professionalism and leadership. 16 South Dakota School of Mines and Technology students worked with our West River Business Service Center staff to develop financials as they wrote business plans for the competitive Entrepreneurial Opportunity Contest. 14 Black Hills Education Connection students participated in the Flying Wild Bird Festival and then passed their new nature knowledge on to third graders. 10 adventurers from BHSSC took the polar plunge in February, to raise money for Special Olympics. Dakota Link offers technology solutions for South Dakotans living with limitations due to disabilities or aging. And in 2017, staff were able to increase time spent training consumers by 8%. And that brings us to one. In Las Vegas in September at the conference of the Association of Farm Worker Opportunity Programs, Gloria Miller ranked number 1 nationally among professionals helping seasonal and migrant farm and ranch laborers obtain permanent full-time jobs. In accepting her award, Gloria told the audience about growing up in a migrant farm family herself, making her way to South Dakota as a teenager, gaining an education, and eventually becoming program coordinator for BHSSC's National Farm Worker Jobs Program. There you have it, 116 million to 1. Thanks to all who added to BHSSC by the numbers.